Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to remove saved books on Headway. I wonder why you want to know how to remove saved books on Headway. Maybe because you saved the books for later, you read them a little, and you didn't find it interesting, so you want to delete them. Or maybe you accidentally added books as your saved ones, now you want to delete it. Or maybe you have read the books completely and they're finished, so now you're looking to delete them from the rows so that you could read other books. Or there could be any other reason for you to delete saved books on Headway. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can delete saved books on Headway. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Headway app in your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Headway app to open it. Once the app gets open, it will just take a while to load, and after that you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have many different options almost all over the screen, different books that you could read and maybe can save them for later. So now if you want to remove your saved ones, but before you have to save the books, then you could remove them from the list. So there we will explore different books, save them into the list, and then see how we can remove it. So here we have this book. I'll just simply tap on it, and once the profile of that book open, I will click onto this option, which is a bookmark or the save option, this third option here. Once you tap on it, this option will change its color. That means that book has been saved in your list, and then you could delete it. So now if you want to get access, you have to click on this option, and once you tap on it, there you will find all your saved books. Now if you want to delete them, we have three dots onto it. You have to tap on three dots, and there you will see the option through which you could delete it. Here you will again find three options. You have to select this last option which says remove from library. Once you tap on it, that book will get deleted from your save list. That means this book will be no longer in your save list, and if you again want to find that book, you have to go to the search section and search for that book, and then you could get that book. You could either delete only one book from the list or you could delete the whole list one by one. It's all up to you. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can remove saved books on Headway. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.